Stop by and take a look at the 2001 Camry. Toyota Camry is an affordable midsize car, reliable and great comfortable commuter car. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: power driver's seat, dual airbags, air conditioning, adjustable headrests, auto express down window, alloy wheels, power steering, cruise control, AM/FM stereo with CD player, center armrest. Wouldn't you look great in this vehicle? Stop in today and see for yourself.
Here's another high-quality vehicle with a Carfax Vehicle History Report. Be sure to find a complimentary copy of this report online or contact the dealership. This vehicle qualifies for the Carfax Buyback Guarantee.